The latest we're tracking on NDTV at the moment as the Indigo crisis caused chaos at airports across the country. A strong statement coming in from Kiren Rijiju this morning, which says that rules are good, but Mr. Rijiju has added they should not harass the public or disrupt the system. A clear signal from the Modi government that operational discipline must not come at the cost of passenger convenience. Listen in to Mr. Kiren Rijiju's latest remarks regarding the Indigo crisis.
रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, कानून नियम अच्छा है, लेकिन सिस्टम को ठीक करने के लिए, जनता को परेशान करने के लिए नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने बहुत साफ शब्दों में कहा है कि कोई भी ऐसा कानून, कोई भी ऐसा नियम नहीं होना चाहिए जो बिना मतलब आम नागरिकों को परेशान करे। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। कानून लोगों के लिए बोझ नहीं, लोगों की सुविधा के लिए होना चाहिए।
My colleague Tanushka Datta is with us to make sense of Mr. Rijiju's latest statement. Tanushka, is Kiren Rijiju's statement being perceived as a sort of hint that the government might review the recent FDTL changes, or is it too soon to say?
It might be, too soon to say, but definitely this is under the works, under discussion as well. Parmeshwar, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has been chairing marathon meetings every day. These are high-level meetings that have been happening by the Minister Ram Mohan Naidu alongside senior officials of the DGCA, of the Airports Authority of India as well. And now this statement coming in from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju makes it very clear that the government will not tolerate anything that comes in the way of passenger convenience. Passenger comes first. This is something similar, notions were echoed by Ram Mohan Naidu as well yesterday in Rajya Sabha when he was speaking, when he very clearly made it clear that this whole mishap is the only body to blame at this point is Indigo. It is Indigo's internal management that has led to this crisis in the skies, and that is similar, notions are being echoed by Kiren Rijiju, and at large the image that we're getting right now is the Modi government at large believes so that yes, FDTL norms, the flight duty time limitation norms that were brought in for the larger good of seeing everyone, to strike a balance of sorts between pilots as well, because the essential nature of these norms is to reduce fatigue onto the pilots and reduce and manage their flying hours as well. But at this point, the message that we're getting is pretty clear that passenger convenience and whatever passengers, want is the first priority, and that should not be compromised with, is what we can make out of Kiren Rijiju's statement right now.
Tanushka, as always, thank you so much.